Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove marker from the wall. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Yes, that's right, I literally just took this marker and I drew on the wall. I have 4 young kids at the time of filming this video. They're all relatively young. I release my videos in advance, so by the time you see this, they might be a little bit older. But when I'm filming this, I have 4 kids and they're all young. So I got tons of marker on the wall, and I've essentially come up with a really good method for removing that marker. Now this marker is fresh, so it should come off really easily. But even if you have a marker that has been on the wall for a while, it should still come off relatively easily with only 1 or 2 passes using the methods that I'm going to show you. And it all depends on the type of marker. If you have a more permanent marker, it's going to be harder to come out. If you have a washable marker, it should be relatively easy. So let's get right into the video. The first method that I use that usually works really well is I use the toothpaste method. So essentially, I'm just going to get a little bit of toothpaste and I'm going to just squeeze it out there. I'm going to put it on my finger. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so just please bear with me. There we go. Okay. There we go, that's good enough, that's good enough. Let's put this to the side over here. So as you can see, I have toothpaste on my hand. I was trying to do that more smoothly, it didn't work out. Essentially, you're gonna take the toothpaste, and toothpaste is a great cleaning agent. It can clean so many different things. But you're just gonna rub the toothpaste on the marker, and as you rub it on the marker, you can see that it's gonna start to take off the marker, okay? Now, like I said, this should come off relatively easily because it's just a fresh marker stain. But you know, if you have older marker stains, it might take a little bit more time. So essentially, you're gonna do this. Okay, you're gonna rub that toothpaste on the marker, and then you can go and you can wipe it with a paper towel, a wet paper towel, or a wet rag. Okay, just like that. So as you can see right here, we've already taken off the majority of it. We're gonna do one more pass, just like this. There we go, that's a bit better. So now we got a good amount of toothpaste on there, a good blob of toothpaste, a good glob or blob of toothpaste. I'm not even sure what the word is. We're just gonna rub it on the marker. And as you can see, the more toothpaste I use, the easier the mark came off. So it might take a couple of passes, but usually, even when marker's been on the wall for a day or even a couple days, essentially it works with a couple passes. So even when I notice a marker has been on the wall, and then I ask my kids, when did this happen? And they say, yesterday or 2 days ago, it still works really well. So as you can see right here, you just wipe it off just like that, and basically the mark is out. I'm gonna do one more pass after just to fully remove it. You could basically see it's basically gone. I'm going to say that's gone. You can kind of see the mark there, but I'm sure if I rub it just a little bit with the paper towel, it's just going to be completely gone. Yeah, so it's completely gone. So that's the first method, okay? Now the other methods work well as well. The second method I'm going to outline is just getting a soapy rag. Sometimes like just regular dish soap works really well. Get soap on a rag and just rub on the wall. You want to avoid using anything abrasive. Try and go for something smooth, like the smooth side of a sponge, not the abrasive side of those double-sided sponges. And you want to rub on the wall until the marker comes out. And the third method is to get a magic eraser. If you get a magic eraser, you might be able to take this out, but a great tip for using a magic eraser in this situation is to put a little bit of dish soap on the magic eraser. If you put dish soap on the magic eraser and then you just rub the marker spot, it's gonna it does a really good job at giving you the best chance at actually removing it from the wall. So that's it. That is essentially how to remove marker from the wall. Like I said, that was a fresh mark. I did that right now on video, but I've used that method with older, dried up marks, and it still works, right? Sometimes it takes a couple of extra passes, but it works. Toothpaste is a great cleaning agent. It is my go-to method. I have a spare tube of toothpaste, the one that you saw. I use that like only for cleaning things, right? So that stays in a separate closet, in a cleaning closet with all the cleaning supplies up high, with all the cleaning supplies, so I can use it just for cleaning stuff. That's how good of a cleaning agent it is. I have specifically a tube of toothpaste that is used for cleaning stuff. Really cool, really easy method. And I'll outline a few other methods if you want to use them as well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.